Samsung Galaxy S24 series tipped to get AI-powered features like circle search, voice recorder. Samsung Galaxy S24 series is said to use on-device AI technology to provide real-time translations for 14 languages during audio calls. Samsung's Galaxy S24 lineup is likely to be one of the first major flagship launches to come next year. We've been hearing for a while that the upcoming trio will bring several AI features and improvements to compete with the likes of the latest Google Pixel 8 series. A new leak now sheds light on some possible AI-based features on the upcoming Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is said to use on-device AI technology to provide real-time translations during calls. Tipster Ahmed Quader X posted that many AI features will debut with the Galaxy S24 series. As per the tipster, the top-end Galaxy S24 Ultra model will bring an AI-backed circle search feature that will automatically perform search for circled words. Meanwhile, a new voice recorder functionality is also said to be available on the phone. The tipster states that the recorder can recognize and identify up to 10 different voices. It can assist in translating conversations and preparing meeting summaries. Further, the Galaxy S24 series handsets are said to use on-device AI technology to provide real-time translations for 14 languages during audio calls. The lineup could offer improved translation options in 35 languages without any third-party apps. As per the tipster, Samsung is anticipated to announce the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra smartphones on January 17 next year. Both Galaxy S24 Plus and Galaxy S24 Ultra are said to run on Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC, paired with 12 GB of RAM. The Galaxy S24, in contrast, is tipped to be powered by an Exynos 2400 chipset. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to have a titanium frame, while the regular and Plus models could have an aluminum armor frame. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is said to be marketed as the company's first generative AI phone. The South Korean tech brand has reportedly filed for trademark applications for AI phone and AI smartphone. It is also likely to use a new EV battery technology to offer improved battery life, so subscribe to us to get future informs before. I'm Rika, we'll meet in the next video. Let's bye.